The Smart Pen is an input device which captures the handwriting or brush strokes of a user and then converts handwritten analog information created using pen and paper into digital data, enabling the data to be utilized in various applications. These pens come in handy for artists who need to go the old ways of creating art using their hand. So if you're looking for a suitable one, then these are some of the best in the business. The Moleskine PTSETA helps you to quickly create digital text and images and share them right away with your smartphone or tablet. This smart writing set is a system made up of 3 objects: the particular paper tablet notebook, the Smart Pen Plus, and a companion app. The companion app seamlessly transfers what's written on the notebook page to your device, digitizing your analog notes and allowing you to notate, share, search, edit, and organize your vision. It is designed with code technology, which enables the Pen Plus to capture each pen stroke. The Smart Writing Set is compatible with all other Moleskine paper tablets and the Smart Diary/Planner. Boost your note-taking, sketching, and time management by adding different page layouts, sizes, and formats. The eQuil Smart Pen 2 captures handwritten notes, sketches, and diagrams and transfers them to your Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows devices and the cloud for editing, enhancing, and sharing. With eQuil Notes handwriting recognition feature, transform your notes into editable text to email your team, or convert selected content to improve readability. It works on all devices, and it frees you from your notebook. The pen and receiver have built-in memory to store notes when not connected to a device, so you never lose valuable data. They're also rechargeable, so you can write continuously for up to 8 hours between charges. It connects to your device via Bluetooth to digitize your notes in real time or to import records from memory. Also, the pen's tip is pressure sensitive to ensure your digital notes and sketches have just as much detail as your physical ones. The Bamboo Folio lets you work the way you work best, quickly transforming your handwritten notes and drawings into digital, shareable files. The Wacom Inkspace app enables you to organize, edit, and share your notes and sketches on your iOS or Android Bluetooth-enabled devices. Also, with the Inkspace cloud service, you can sync your notes in the cloud and access anywhere at any time. You can combine pages of notes, add strokes, color or highlight to existing notes with editable digital ink. The Wacom Inkspace app also supports exporting your work as JPG, PNG, PDF, and WILL file formats. It will also allow you to sync your ideas with the cloud and forward them to services like Dropbox, Evernote, and OneNote. Also, the Minecraft-inspired pixel pattern and designed with the high-energy gig economy go-getter in mind. The LiveScribe 3 comes with a built-in memory on the Smart Pen, capturing and storing your notes, allowing you to sync to up to 4 iOS and Android devices. You can search your handwritten notes and convert what you write into digital text with fantastic accuracy. It features a sleek, matte black finish complemented by a glass-reinforced clip and a smooth writing experience that feels luxurious and effortless. The built-in memory on your LiveScribe 3 Smart Pen allows you to sync your notes seamlessly. It uses Bluetooth Smart technology to pair with compatible mobile devices to deliver more than 14 hours of continuous use between charges. It also features an innovative dot pattern that tells the Smart Pen precisely what you've written or drawn. The Scan Marker Air uses the cutting-edge patented technology to create a superior and accurate handheld scanning solution. Just slide your pen scanner across a line of printed text and watch it appear instantly on your computer or smartphone screen. It features an ultra-portable design, scans wirelessly via Bluetooth connection to your computer, smartphone, or tablet. It also doubles as a barcode reader. If you ever need to read UPC and EAN codes, which will quickly capture the barcoded data for you. The integrated text-to-speech function can read the text back to you while scanning. You can easily translate into over 40 languages, slide the pen over your paper document, and the translation will appear right where your cursor is blinking in a matter of seconds. The Bamboo Spark is a smart folio with an original ballpoint pen and a spot for your favorite paper. You can capture handwritten notes on any document, and with a push of a button, your written content is saved in the Bamboo Spark app for light editing and sharing. The Wacom Cloud gives you access to your content on most devices, smartphone, tablet, or computer. Also, it works seamlessly with cloud-based services, including Evernote or Dropbox. It uses the Wacom Ink Layer language, which is the universal inking engine and ink layer framework that connects hardware, software, and applications. With the help of the Bamboo Paper app, it lets you manage and organize your notes, as well as share them with your peers. The LiveScribe Echo enables you to record everything you hear, say, and write while linking your audio recordings to your notes. You can also replay audio directly from the paper by tapping on your notes. Also, the Echo desktop software allows you to save, organize, and interactive playback notes from your Mac or Windows computer. The 2GB Smart Pen can hold over 200 hours of audio or thousands of pages of notes. Your pen is even customizable with downloadable apps from dictionaries to translators, time savers, games, and more. It uses a micro USB connector, transfers notes and audio to your computer while recharging the Smart Pen. It automatically captures everything as you write and draw. The Neo Smart Pen N2 comes with a small camera inside that records your writing and then sends this data to your device. It is equipped with a dual-core ARM9 processor, which captures more than 120 frames per second and can calculate 256 steps of pressure. The Neo Smart Pen app allows you to change the font color or delete the text/image. You can also share the file to Dropbox, Evernote, Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. Compared to other digital pens, it uses Bluetooth 4.0 LE, known for a high-speed connection and lesser energy consumption. Also, with the Neo Smart Pen app, you can sync and save your writings to different formats such as text, PDF, JPEG, and SVG. Plus, the N2 pen offers multiple transcribing languages. By linking your Neo Smart Pen to the Neo Notes Windows application, your handwritten notes will be saved so you can review your digitalized writings on your PC. In at first place, we have the NeoPen M1. It has employed a thinner and lighter pen body. Cylinder-shaped body case helps your smooth writing with a comfortable grip. It is equipped with the automatic on-off function. It automatically turns on the power when opening the pen cap, and when not using it, it is converted to the standby power mode. It also supports the Encode technology, which is a combination of lines and symbols printed so small that they are difficult for the eye to perceive. Each line and symbol constitute a pattern to express a unique code for each location on the page. The M1 transfers that code data to your smart device. You can then change or share your handwritten notes. With a 125-day standby battery life and 6 hours of combined writing time, you can write for 1,000 pages before you need to recharge. Thanks for watching. These are the best smart pens in the market. Let us know that you liked our video by liking it. And to see more like this in the future, subscribe to our channel.